So we have an isosceles triangle here. And if something is an isosceles triangle, that means it has two of the same sides. Two sides are the same. Now the base of this, it says the base is 42 units. Now the base is the side that's like the bottom of the non-equal side. So the base is 42. And the area of this triangle is equal to 588 square units. So area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 base times the height. So there's a height to this triangle, and it would be right here, that length right there. So could I figure out what the height was? Well, I know that it's 1/2 base, so the base is 42, times the height, which we don't know. But I do know what the area is equal to. So I can come over here and set this area equal to 588. So to solve this, I'd multiply both sides by 2. That would get rid of the 1/2. So it'd be 588 times 2. 1176 is equal to 42h. Now let's divide by 42. And I get a height of 28. So my height here is 28. We'll take that out and write a 28 here. So now we know what the height is, but we want to know what's the perimeter of this triangle. Well, if the height is 28, the height will always make a right angle with the base. The height will always make a right angle with the base. So, and it will always split this in half. So if this bottom is 42, then this side over here would be 21, and this side over here would be 21. So that right there is 21. And what I have is the Pythagorean theorem to figure out what this side over here would be. We're wanting to know what that side is now. If I can figure out what that side is, I can just add all my sides up. So remember, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The hypotenuse is the c value. So 21 squared plus 28 squared will equal c squared. So 21 squared, 441. 28 squared, 784. If we add those together, we'll get 1225 equals c squared. And to solve for that, we'll take a square root. We get 35. So now I know that this side here is 35. This side is also 35 because it's isosceles. They're the same length. So 35 plus 35 plus 42 would be my perimeter. 112. D.